Startercraft, thank you so much for dropping by. Dreamlab, wonderful to see you again. Very good, very good. And Christopher Flynn, thank you so much for making it. We had a little, just to clue you all in, Christopher and I had a little discussion on a comment thread on one of my videos about content in DAZ Studio. And it looks like, if I remember correctly, you had about 400 products that were not showing up where they should, or not showing up at all. And I've given this some thought, and while I have you, I thought maybe I'll talk you through my theory as to how you can possibly reset the whole thing. I don't know if it works, but if it does, do let me know. And that means I can make a little video about it, or write a little article about it. If we do that quickly, it shouldn't take longer than 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll get on with checking out my new kitchen, I say. Let's do this thing. I'll go and put my little, what's it called here, my little cursor highlight on. There we go. Now you can see what I'm doing, which is awesome. You can also see the skeleton, which is nice. So I'm assuming here that when you launch DAZ Studio, you do not see all those products in your library. Is it also correct that you see or you do not see them in Install Manager? It's a very tricky subject. So in my case, I've got my smart content showing up here with all kinds of stuff, and these are the products that I see. And I'm assuming, Christopher, that you do not see them. That is correct, right? And so the issue with Install Manager is, of course, that it's difficult. But nothing's listed. Gotcha. Okay, cool. In that case, that's a good start. So if that isn't happening, then including DAZ Studio isn't showing up here. That means you have to go and delete some metadata. So if nothing is showing up here, then close Install Manager, close DAZ Studio, and use the regular Windows add removal tools to get rid of Install Manager. That's number one. So you go into the Windows search function here and you say add and remove programs until you get to this option. And once you're there, once you're there, you can have a look for the DAZ Install Manager here and get rid of that. So that removes the files, but that doesn't necessarily remove the metadata entries, like many programs write to this kind of hidden directory and they still leave stuff there. So even if you uninstall that, reinstall it again, then reinstall DAZ Studio with that, you may find that you're in the same position as you were before. So in order to remedy that, assuming this will get rid of both Install Manager and DAZ Studio, you can go, and this is kind of the tricky bit here, you go into your C drive and you head over to your users directory. See, this is exactly what happens. This is the crazy thing. You go into your users directory, you go into you like my user is J vs. Lewis, yours is, I don't know, say Christopher Flynn, for example. You go in there, you head over to app data. This is kind of that weird local thing. You go into roaming, I believe. Is it roaming? So in the C drive, under users, under your user, under app data, under roaming, you find DAZ 3D, and in it you'll find all kinds of kind of hidden directories that save the application state of whatever's going on. So that's where Install Manager and DAZ Studio keep track of where is your library folder and all that. So that all needs to go. So you can clear out the whole DAZ 3D folder here, delete, then begin again. Literally from scratch. So this will clear out everything that DAZ and Install Manager could remember that is potentially on your hard drive, that has potentially saved libraries and all that. And that is that. So there is one other thing that you can do in DAZ Studio. I'm glad we can talk about this. You can head over here in the content. I think that's actually on the Smart Content tab. Go to the Smart Content tab, go to the hamburger icon here, and head over to Content DB Maintenance. This is a slightly scary menu in which usually everything is unticked, but you can go and process the metadata queue again and re-import the metadata. And then you hit accept. And that'll take some time for it to do its thing. So that could consolidate stuff. You can also, while you're here, if you're kind of at a fresh point in DAZ Studio, you can also just go untick that and head over to reset your database. And if that happens, then the whole database gets cleared out. So you have to, even though you may have files on your hard drive, the database gets completely reset and you have to reinstall everything with Install Manager. That'll override the files that may have been there already, but you know. So those are the two things that you can try out.